The app that we are going to be building today is a quiz app. And as you see here, it is a card where we have the name of the app, and then we have questions with multiple choices. In this case, you can declare the number of questions that you want as well as the answers too. So let's show you. The first question: what does HTML stands for? Once we choose the option that we want, in this case, for example, the first one, um, the remaining options in this case will be disabled, so you will only have one chance of selecting the question that you want, so be careful with it. And once that we select our option, or in this case our answer, we click on the next to go to the next question. Then what the CSS control, in this case styling, again will be disabling all the choices once we choose the one that that we think that is correct. And then let's click on next. For the next one, in this case, which language makes websites interactive? We know that is JavaScript. So let's click on JavaScript. And after this, if we click on next, it will be showing you the score that you got. In this case, of course, I already know all the answers, so we got a 3 of 3. But these questions can be manage and change on the coding session, and I'm about to show you. So stay with me on the coding session because we are going to continue learning more about how the web development works, as well as some tricks that we can do at the time of working in this type of apps.